Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Middle at Lidl. We've got loads of cool Parkside stuff this week. So let's jump into the brochure and have a look, and then we'll head to the store and see what we can pick up. So we've got the multi-shelving unit, five layers of this, £45. We've got the lifting tools, two for £14. They're good for lifting up to 150 kilos. Hand saws, set of hand saws. We've got an LED light. We've got metal brackets. We've got the corded angle grinders back as well. Multi-tool accessories. We've got some hollow wall anchor sets, drill bits. This looks pretty cool. The socket set. So this is chrome vanadium. So £18. Looks like quite a good deal, that one. Work gloves in different sizes. We've got a sheepskin jacket to help with the cold weather we've been having. A paint gun. I'm hoping my local Lidl's got this in stock. I'll be picking one of those up. And then we've got a few other bits for just general decorating, really. There's a couple of other little bits on the website as well. So let's head over to Lidl and see what we can find. Right, it's Thursday morning. We're here at our local Lidl. It's just about to open. We'll go inside and see what Parkside deals we've got in the middle of Lidl today. Got the work gloves for £5.99. We've got trousers, gel knee pads, men's jackets, some socks here. This Lidl's still got the tool stands and folding hand trucks. We've got the socket sets, £17.99. Got one of those multi-sanders, got the assorted bits. Got the lifting and tensioning section. Down here we've got the metal shelving units. Assortment of angle braces and that. This Lidl's still got the air wedges and plastic wedges. Belts, hollow wall sets, anchor plates. We've got these masking film sets which are nice. The handsaw set for £7. Some brushes. Spray gun is £16 if you've got the Lidl Plus app. So worth getting hold of that. I'm going to pick one up and probably review it for you guys. We've got the multi-tool. They've got some of the accessories in here. Blades and sanding pads. Some brushes and paints. The angle grinder, corded angle grinders here for £24.99. Alright, a few bits picked up. Let's get these home and have a look at what we picked up. Right, so £150 later, this is the haul we've got. Lots of Parkside stuff here. So I'll just quickly show you some of them. Over here we've got the Parkside lifting and tensioning tools. So these are used for lifting heavy items up. I've got the air wedge set, 2 pieces, max 135 kilograms. Gloves in a couple of sizes. So these are handy for obviously lifting heavy things, saving your hands in the winter. Sheepskin jacket in a large. I'll let you know if that fits. This one here, the metal shelving unit. I'll probably do an unboxing of this and build of it so you can see what the quality is like and what sort of size it is. The socket set, so I think it's 61 pieces. We'll take a look at that in a bit more detail. This one here, the paint spray gun. So this is high volume, low pressure gun. We've got here the hollow wall anchor sets, and that comes with a tool as well to put them into the wall for you. Masking film set in a couple of different sizes. So you can see this one here is a 2-piece one. One is film, one is paper, and they do a bigger one as well. I think there was actually a third size as well, even bigger. The plug and dowel cutter bits. So this is obviously used, there's 4 different sizes there. 6mm, 10mm, 13mm and 16mm. And then you've got different selection of corner braces in different sizes there. Mending plates and over here we've got flat angle brackets. So that's everything I bought today. I will be building a couple of these. I'll be testing out the spray gun as well, the socket set. So yeah, not much in Lidl next week for Parkside stuff, but the next time there is, I will visit again. Thanks everyone.